Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one thing about it, man. It's the hardest thing I've ever done. But I'm working hard, I'm journaling, tracking, making constant adjustments, and things are starting to pick up, man. I'm making progress. It's getting exciting. Doing it all live right here on YouTube. We're building an awesome community. I'd love to have you be a part of it, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. Tuesday, long weekend. I know we've been hurting, but we back. Signature, what's up? Signature, good morning. Wave Rider. You off vacation now, Signature? You back in the game? Where the wave at, Wave Rider? I got Tesla, SMCI, and Baba. They're not like super awesome daily setups. Baba's actually pretty nice, but SMCI is kind of like continuing momentum. Nice gap up and nice volume today. It just makes sense to watch it to me. Kind of same situation with Tesla. Not much of a gap, but really good R vol. And it is above previous days. Close. Jet lag. What up, Santa? Grandkids today? Oh man. How many, Wave Rider? How many? How old? Santa in the house. Man, I spent a lot of time in the replay sim over the weekend, man. And well, actually mostly yesterday. I did a couple over the weekend, but yesterday was like really when I was able to like get a lot of trades in. 5 of them. That's what's up, man. um I'm I always feel anxious in the sim because Santa can bring some bread. I'm saying, um, it's kind of stressful to me, being in the sim, but almost similar to the open. And I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming that it was very helpful. So I'm excited to see how things feel today. If I feel like, I gained some experience over the weekend by doing that, or maybe I messed up my mindset. I don't know. I don't know. But it felt good to get some reps in, man. I was just tripping on how um the three young ones are okay, y'all about to get around for the money then. um just the amount of practice. Like if I come in here and I take 3 trades a day, 5 days a week, that's only 15 trades a week, 45 a month, which I mean I usually have like 100 trades a month, but like that's all game time. That's like Curry coming and the only time he shoots is at the game, and outside the game, he just watches film and reads books and listens to podcasts. But the only time he actually touches the ball is at on game day when he walks into after the whistle blows. And that's kind of what I've been doing. I haven't really touched the charts. I'm doing reviews and journals and stuff like that, but to have the resource of being able to replay past price action and trade against it. I mean, wow, it's so valuable, man. And so I just kind of been tripping on that. Like, how many thousands of shots does Curry shoot throughout the week before his game? You know, like, I'm sure thousands. So I just been trying to get some reps in, man, and just kind of get used to seeing the things and even get used to making my mistakes and, get better at catching them earlier and earlier to where I don't make them at all. That's the idea anyway. But you too, Sig. WDC. Pocket tight. Not much volume, but I do like the daily. I do like the daily, but I mean, where's the volume? It's at resistance. So yeah, interesting. Over 70 could be cool, but that's assuming some volume comes in. Man, I was looking at Tesla's daily chart. That mug is pretty awful. It's pretty awful. It's almost like it's priming for some huge move, man. The candles have gotten so narrow on Tesla. All right. So I think I've got the process down pretty good. That's pretty much all I was practicing in the sim. It's just the process. Um, I'm waiting for the first five to close, really the first two. Um, yeah, I mean, really the first two. But like, hmm. I definitely have the tendency to like really want to get in there at the beginning of the day, at the beginning of the move, like right at the open. Like I'm really trying to get in as soon as possible, and I want to move away from that so much, and just wait, man, just wait for that super perfect setup, that one that's like OMG, I'm about to get in right now, like that kind of setup. Like FOMO is so powerful, man. Like not wanting to miss it, that's powerful, and it's terrible too. So it's a trip how simple this could be, but how hard it actually is. All right, 1 minute to game time. Let December come. uh, I got a feeling it's gonna be SMCI. It looks the best. Man, I kind of took the spy off. I feel kind of blind without it now. Yeah, Tesla's following that thing. SMCI showing some relative strength. And there's the bell. Yeah, SMCI looking super strong. Yeah, I think Tesla's looking great. The one is really nice. So we can get back over, what's that, like 2075? I think I gotta take this one. That's pretty good. A little 3 bar play over here on Baba. Baba looks really good. It's a nice entry. I mean, it's okay actually. It's a range entry. The dip is better. You could call this the dip though. Oh. Kind of wanted to add right there, but I don't know. I feel feeling a little scary. Only 3 shares sucks, but whatevs. Yeah, that would have been a cool little ad. I should have added right here. I'm not mad at not adding though, because it didn't give like a super gravy ad. You know, this one was cool, but not a clean ad. So that's good. We'll have to add more risk onto the trade. Stop in the money under 52.98. Well, it was pretty chill trade, yeah. That looks kind of cool on Tesla. Might as well wait for it to break highs and make a pullback though. You know? Yeah, see, I knew that wasn't a dip. Gotta wait for the dip, the real dip. That's one thing I was practicing in the sim over the weekend, waiting for the actual dip and not like a flag or a consolidation, but an actual dip, a break below the current range, and then getting bought back up. PLTR, I didn't even look at PLTR today. I feel like I need to put PLTR on my list over here actually. Hmm. Yeah, PLTR looks great. Did I look at PLTR today? Nice narrow range candles on the daily. This was clutch, man. I'm tripping. Yeah, I like PLTR, man. That looks great. Stop under 54. What's this low? 53.95 is my stop now. I didn't have enough shares to like really peace out, so I'm just raising my stop. When the 1 minute trend is over, I'll get out and we'll reassess. We will reassess. Tesla looked like it want to creep on the come up though. I like this back over the 1 minute opening range. A little narrow range joint right here. That might be a little pew, pew, pew. Almost at 3R, 2.5R on SMCI. Bought Tesla 356. Yeah, I like that. I like that move, Santa. Tesla look like it's about to go. I'm getting a little aggressive though. I could actually wait for the pullback. This is, yeah, this only on a one. It is probably about to pull back now, but, hmm, 55. Ain't that something, Alex? That means my P&L is going up too, doesn't it? Alex said, dang, bro, you trading something that's going up. I started to try to jump out there, but I just feel like this thing could really, I think I'm going a little too aggressive with this. Haven't even had a 5 minute pullback yet. That looks bad though. I hope this thing holds 54 so I can move my stop up to there. Went from 51 to 55. Yeah, 53 is not a bad pullback area. Definitely not taking a loss though. We'll just sit it right under 52.50 and see if maybe we can get something back popping. I definitely could have pulled my stop up tight under that doji. I seen it right at 55 too. At least sold a share. It's so difficult for me when I don't have a lot of shares, man. All right, added right there. Stops at break even now. So either this is gonna be really cool or we'll stop out break even. I'm okay with that. Ooh, Tesla got slew that through that range, man. I've been trying to stay out of this range, man. That's why I got this line up here. Really trying to stay out of the range. Um, Might get caught up over here. like 93, 92. Let's do that. Why is this thing throwing bracket orders? I don't understand what that is about. Bah humbug, man. Had 3R up there, yo. Got to take that on a small. That's trading the P&L, man. It's only a 1 minute move, though. Yeah, I should have took that. Hmm. I know it's gonna stop me out and then go back up. Let's see. What's $3 on 5 shares? It's less than $1. Mm. Super high risk to reward. Damn. Mm. It definitely has the downward momentum though, but it's kind of clinging. I don't know. This is just me playing in my basket, Q. Come on, man. You made that high. You just gonna squish back down? Where's the buyers? 468K. SMCI, Santa? Hmm. Look at this flag on the 5, yo. If this goes my way, oh my God. There's 5450. We can get through that, man. I think we got 55 in the bag. Nice. I'm definitely feeling like I made the right pick for myself. Although Tesla's still grinding, man. Tesla popping up through over the range could be really powerful. Same for SMCI if we can get there, man. It's just like, sheesh, come on. Don't make no lower low, bro. Definitely don't want that to happen. I think I'm gonna have to, bruh. Mm-mm-mm. What up, Alex? Over here sweating on SMCI. Man, it sure was looking good for a second, man. Yeah, 55 was the number in my head too, and I just sat there and looked at it. Oh yeah, how'd you do, Alex? Ain't no profit, bro. It's right there. Uh, what's this low? 53.45. That's what's up. Gotta let it play out, Alex. Gotta let it play out. I ain't worked this hard to get this position to just punk out now. Let it play out and take the lessons. Why? Well, if every time somebody came in here and told me to take the money and run, like what would I be doing? I wouldn't be trading my process or strategy or anything. I would just be, you know. So, I take a lot of the things you guys say and put a pin in it, but as of today, I'm trading the plan that I made yesterday. So, you know, it's not going as soon as I would like it to go, but that doesn't mean it's not going to go. My stop is where it's at till it hits my stop. Um, I'm in the position. Oh, okay, cool. Right on, Alex. A little double bottom on the 5 on Baba over there. Tesla throwing some higher lows. I still like SMCI, man. Still making higher lows on the 5. Very close, though, to breaking it. Just bouncing back between 53.50 and 54. Yo, what up, Trey? I want to buy that right there. Right there. Wow. We got enough shares, though. Ain't no point in raising the risk. Man, that entry is clutch, bro. Broke through pre-market high, little doji, come back down and test it and close up green. Got to take that one, bro. Got to take that one. That's smart, Billy. Dumb Billy's up here. Come on, dog. It really cannot go up past 54. Ultimate Billy. That's funny. Well, I mean, the idea. Yeah, I mean, this is what I want to be taking. So, sometimes it's gonna be at the high day. If it's the first pullback, it's gonna look like a high day thing. But you know, all right, we finally got through 54. This high right here is 54.50. Oh man, if we can get through 54.50, yo, we talking about having some fun. I'm sick. I was sick all day yesterday. I still feel pretty crappy, but ain't no days off over here. If it didn't work, how would you like? I love that entry. I gotta take that, bro. It didn't need the 5 minute didn't even close, and I was like, you know what? I gotta take that entry. It's everything I want to see. But if it didn't work, maybe I would say, you know what? Let's wait for that 5 to close. But I've been trading the one for like 4 years, bro, and some setups are just like you gotta take. All right, there's 54.50. I appreciate it, Alex. I'm feeling it. It's definitely looking nice right now. Got my average up super high compared to that entry though. Dang, man, I increased it over $1. That's kind of wild. But we got them auras on the table now. Them auras. Yeah, I mean, it was the break and the retest. I didn't just take the break. I waited for the retest. So I thought that was pretty tactical. Tesla's still looking good over there, Santa. Yeah, that's why I don't want to play them games with them small caps, bro. It's definitely a different story. That's what's up. Yeah, that thing ain't even went yet, Sansa. You gotta be still in it. And add at 55. I'm selling at 55, bro. Talking about an ad. I'm trying to get some money in the bank, bro. I got 5 R's sitting here and ain't did nothing yet. Come on, bro. Stop playing. Went up to 94. Come on, bro. Ah, don't do me like that, yo. Why you do me like that? Dang, bro. 4 pennies from the target. 4 pennies. Uh, you got in on this candle and got flushed by that wick, and then what up, Paul? I got my target set right here, just underneath high day, Paul. I'm taking a nice chunk off there if we can get there, man. Um, I unblocked GC, so he can comment if he want. I don't know if he's lost hope in the boy or not, but I was in my feelings that day and I didn't want to deal with it, so I had to block him. But I'm cool now. Uh, said second entry, small pullback. Oh, this one? No, you kind of be talking about this. Hmm. Yes, sir. I hope I can get there, man. It's holding up there. Man, I know, Paul. It seems like it. I don't know, man. I gotta stay focused, man. It's so slippery, man. It's so slippery. Like I come in here thinking like I got it, and it's gone, bro. Just gotta really stick to the process, man. And I spent a lot of time in the sim over the weekend. I feel really good. Um, Patient, man. The basket is. I love the basket, bro. I love the basket, Trey. Appreciate you, my man. Come on, dog. Obviously, you don't want to go down. You've been holding up there all these candles. Get your little dip. Go on and get your little dip. And then get my target, please. What's these lows? It's holding 50. I don't like these tests over and over, though. It's probably going to break and then buy back up and go, hopefully. What up, cute? Kinda. I mean, we're back up to the highs. I got my take profit there. I'm hoping that this take profit will be the beginning of the rocket, and maybe we can go to like 56, 57 with the rest of my shares. Cause I take profit here. I'm definitely moving my stop underneath 54.50, and hopefully we'll be at least like 4R on this trade. But man, come on, bro. I really want that new high day. It's looking great on the 15, yo. The 15 actually gives me great hope. How much time? Oh, we only got 2 minutes left, though. That's a narrow range 15. That ain't really all that great. If that thing can close over eyes, though, that would be awesome. Got a little rush coming in now. 80s. Can we get to them 90s? 90s? 94? Come on, dog. Help them out, Bugs. Help them out, Bugs. 94? 95? We did it. All right, bet that. Bet that. All right, where we going with the stop? Let's go right here. How much room we want to get this thing to pull back? Not much for real. $1? That's crazy. No, we ain't giving it $1. We'll go right here though. Finished green today. Yo, my man. Took some nice losses Thursday and Friday. Still green on the month, besides down a bit today. Nice work, Q. It'd be like that, yo. I think I got it now. I have my thing muted. Hopefully this next one we're gonna hear. You know, SMCI has never been shortable. I've never been able to put my take profit and stop order in on SMCI at the same time. It's like a small cap. Appreciate it, Santa. Come on, man. I know you ain't over. I know it ain't over yet, dog. I know it ain't over yet. We did all this work. Come on, back through 54. We we did way too much work to be coming back through this range. Ah, come on, dog. Is my stop too tight? This definitely needs a pullback. Do I want to be a part of it though is the question. I do not. So, well, if it stops out, that's all we get, you know? That's all we get. 5R. Not bad. We'll take that. We'll take that whole green move. We got all these green candles, yo. All of them. Put all these green candles. Oh, yeah, this one too. We got this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. We got all the green candles, yo. Yo, that's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. I'm happy with that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. $15, $3 risk. Is that right? That don't seem right. Yeah, that's right. I'm tripping. Yeah, that's cool. All right. Cool little day. 15 minutes left in the trading day. I think we're done though. Ah, whew. That was exciting. Only paid 1 cent commission. uh, yeah, man. I'm hella done today. Hella done. I'm the most done. The most done. What a successful day, man. I came in, I watched three things. You got Baba, you got Tesla, and SMCI. Clearly, I picked the right one. That's super awesome. Getting so much better at staying out of the trend, the range bound and the downtrend, right? At least today. Play some of that new Drake. 5R for the day. I appreciate you, Q. Ah, good day, man. It's hard to not feel like 5R is mid, but 5R is great. 5R is great. It's way more than break even and it's way more than red, you know? And I did the best I could. It didn't give me much room to add up here. Like I would have had to been super aggressive to add in this run up. But I didn't want to do that. You know, I was just like, okay, I'll keep my little stuff here. I really could have, see, I don't know if I would have qualified an entry back in here though, but since I was already in, I felt comfortable adding because it was like a break even trade until like that last ad. Maybe the last two ads I put my risk back on, but it still wasn't more than $3. So I don't think I ever breached more than $3 risk on this trade, which is 1R. Yeah, for sure. It's definitely a home run, man. I need to Be good with that. You know, I can't be looking for the 10R trade. That's bad. Just play the chart, and whatever it comes out to, it comes out to. You know, that's it. That's all I can do. The expectations is just like it's not a good place to be. It's not a good place to be. What y'all think about my opening range line I got here now? Kind of like a little, just kind of a guideline of where I want to stay above. You know, I want to be making my trades above the opening range. But you know, it's a little flexible because I you know I'm kind of a reversal trader a little bit. You know, I got it in my playbook for sure. Shout out Trey. But you know, I'm definitely looking for the strength overall. You know, I want to be where the strength is at. Look at Baba over here at yesterday's high throwing some hammers. Man, appreciate it, Alex. It's been tough, man. It's been a tough road for sure. I'm actually a little disappointed in myself for not taking anything out up here, but it's really difficult when I don't have that many shares. You know, it's really difficult. I was trying to manage it up with my stop, but you know, or red, Alex, or red. I've got a whole bunch of trades where I went way into the money and stopped out red. A whole bunch of them. $2,000 of my losses worth of my overall losses. I mean, I made like 20K last year and lost 24K last year. So, um, a good portion of the losses was from stocks that went in. I think 2 grand, 2 grand of my losses was stops that went deep into the money, 2R or more, and then I stopped out red. So yeah, we can't do that for sure. That's garbage. Garbage. Oh man, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry I had to do that to you. Hey guys, hit that like button for me, please. Pretty please. I'll tell you what, man. It feels good to come in here after a long weekend and just thinking about it all day, every day, and taking sim trades. Where's my sim trade notepad? I got way too many notes in here. Yeah, so I went in the sim thing and my replay sim, and I just went and looked at all the dates that had a daily setup that I would normally trade, and I wrote them all down, and then I was just going through the replay sim and playing all those dates, and I would trade it, and then I would take my notes, and then I would trade the next day and trade the next day, and so I just in the replay sim, you know, getting practice, getting some reps in on my setup, you know, and being patient for the five to do what I want and actually seeing strength. This hype crash out. I know, huh? Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Um, it was, bro. The well, I haven't like it's not in my process to increase risk or decrease risk based on the setup. I pretty much always just, you know, same risk across the board. But I definitely agree with you. I love this setup. I love this setup. But it's actually kind of outside of what I'm doing right now because I'm trying to wait for the five to close, you know, and then it break over that. But I've been trading the one so long. Sometimes, I mean, if I see something super clean like that, above resistance and everything, like, bro, you got to take it. You just got to take it, man. But yeah, I mean, with the strength, I think I could have had the confidence to add right here because that was my first mine to add over the break of this pullback candle, and then again right here. But I just don't have the confidence quite yet. It's getting there. Like to add up in here, took a lot. But this is kind of funny. Alex is always telling me I feel so much more comfortable playing the weakness than playing the strength. Like I'm scared to add in this, but I'm comfortable adding in this. So trying to work towards I really wanna I mean, sometimes the way it trades, it makes it really easy to add, and sometimes it makes it stressful to add. This type of price action is stressful for me to add in. So it is what it is, man. I'm not mad about that. I still should have taken something out at 55 though. I really almost should have taken it all out at 55 if I didn't have, enough shares to actually take some profits or maybe take one out, something. But it all worked out. It all worked out. SMCI going for round two. Still got 5 minutes left in my Nah, this candle ain't gonna close till 10:30 though. And look at that weak break through the eyes. Not a bad pullback though. Okay. Trigger on the 5. Pretty decent. Hey, what up, Kay? Thank you, sir. Feeling pretty good about it. Feeling pretty good about it. Yeah, I know. Don't do it. All right, I'm cool. I'm chilling. I am green on the month. I am green on the month, yo. It's so crazy right now. What if this is it, y'all? Oh my God. What if this is it? After today, I officially have more green days than red days this month. uh, what, Alex? What's why? 2 18 25. Mental game of trading. Ah. Yeah, I know. Chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Bring it back. Bring it back. Woosah. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Um, let's see here. Is this what I was just looking at? Calendar. Oops. Nah, yeah, for sure. Kay, nah, I'm doing $3 risk now, bro. It's $15 today. $15, yo. So we up 36 on the month now. It's the process, man. It's the process. Like emotions suck. Human emotions and trading don't go together. So you have to have a process to trade because you can't leave it to yourself. And the closer I get to being able to trade my process and keep myself out of it, then the better results I'm getting. It's super clear. It's super clear. Yep. Is that what that is? 30? Yep, 7R, baby. 7R. Is that 7R? Yeah. Nah, bruh. That's 12R. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. That's the official alarm. Trading is closed on the day. We got the 5R banger on SMCI. Not really a banger. Is that a banger? I don't know if 5R is a banger, but it's a great trade. I had a green month June of last year, bro, but it was like crappy. Like it wasn't legit. It was luck. I just happened to have a lot of really big green trades that month that canceled out all of my really big red ones. Like it was not a month of following my rules and being strict on my system and discipline. It was none of that. And because of that green month, the next month I increased my risk and destroyed myself. So I don't even count that as a green month, honestly. That was just luck. This one though is like my risk is super small. You know, I've still had a couple slip ups, but for the most part, I've been doing much better with sticking to the process. And yeah, they sure can, man. I'm telling you, look, I'm telling you, Kay, it don't take no time, bro. It's super slippery. Yeah, man. Ah, golly, man. This is a crazy ride, bro. Who does this? January was rough, man. I was so hopeful at the beginning of January, and I literally came and max lost like the whole first week. Like, this was like all trading after my alarm went off after my trading session. So, this is actually what ruined my month. Because after that, it wasn't too bad. So, like, the second week and the last day is what ruined January. It didn't have to be as bad as it was. I like that, Alex. Um, December. Uh-oh. Oh man, I didn't threw my journal off, man. CQ, that's why I don't like deleting and importing trades, because now my stuff is all out of sync. Oh man. What's wrong with December? I got some duplicate trades in here in December for sure, because I definitely did not have a profitable month. It's gotta be this day. What is this? Okay, yeah, these gotta go. Yeah, we working on it, man. Let's see how we looking on the year, man. Year to date. This might be the bottom right here, y'all. This might be the bottom. Now I want to import my other trade, yo. Now I want to see it. Let's see here. Export. Let's go. What is that? 218.25. Bruh. There we go. Huh? What do you mean? About to say. Okay. I guess I can't do that today. That's weird. Worked yesterday. Um, so my criteria for sizing up is I have to have a profitable month and a clean month. Like I was saying, my last June last year was profitable, but it was like filled with rule breaks and going deep into the red and then bringing it back green. Like it was really a bad month. So it has to be a clean month, like good discipline, following the process. I get a passing grade on performance. Green month, and the increase has to be equal to or less than 1% of my account. So, like literally right now, I have a $300 account, and so I'm risking $3. So if I'm profitable at the end of this month, and let's say I have $500 in my account, then I'll go up to $5 risk, 1% of my account, and clean month. So I don't know if I can get to 500 in 1 month with $3 of risk though. Um, I mean, it's possible. Probably not though. Only got 2 weeks left. So I don't know. If it's a really good month though, I might throw another 100 in my account just to bring it up to 500 and go ahead and trade with $5 risk if I close out a really good month this month. But yeah, that's the plan for my risk though. Of course, I want to step it up as aggressively as possible, but I really want to manage my risk and I want to earn my way up. I want to earn my way through each step, not just because I want to get the money right now, because that just don't work. Um, well, I plan them in the morning when I come in. I mean, it's not really. I guess I'm a read and react kind of discretionary trader. So I'm looking for specific things on the daily. I want to see a gap up over previous day's high, preferably after a new low or after a higher low or a narrow range candle. Um, volume, all those great things. A nice trend in uptrend in pre-market, good stuff like that. And I basically create my expectations for what I think could happen in pre-market based on the daily and the hourly, the weekly. And but as far as once the bell rings, I'm just reading the chart and looking for buying opportunities because I've already established that my sentiment is that this is likely to go up today. So now I'm watching for confirmation and buying opportunities. But I don't have like I'm expecting SMCI to go up to to bounce off of this level and then go up to that level. So if it does that, I'm gonna do this. I don't really get that specific. Most of my energy right now is just trying to get myself to follow the rules, man. Like that's literally the biggest challenge. Like all these little tweaks I've been making to my strategy have been great, but it's kind of like people who work out at the gym but don't change their diet. Like the working out is excellent. It's very good for your body, but you are not going to be able to work out more than you eat. Like you can't you have to change the way you eat. Otherwise, it's just going to keep canceling out your workout, right? You can't outwork your fork. You just can't. It's too easy. It's too easy to eat 1,000 calories and it's too hard to burn it, you know. Um I completely lost where I was going with that, but hopefully that makes sense. Ah, yeah, that's all it's been, man. Just like I remember years ago, man. This was probably like 21, 22. I remember walking around the park on Sunday. So every Sunday I would go to the park and I would be walking around and just like talking to myself, like, bro, if you can just follow your rules, you can have everything you want. Like, you can make money off the market. You can quit the job you hate. You can take care of your family. Like, I'm literally telling my, like, bro, all you gotta do is stop breaking your rules. Like, and I just, bro, oh my God, I would come back in Monday and break the hell out of them rules, man. It was so crazy. It was so crazy, man. It was, uh, and I mean, it just got to the point where I was like, all right, man, I gotta go, I gotta stop, man. I can't spend any more money and time on this thing that I can't seem to get. And then I went back full time to the job that I hated, and that ate me away for another year or so. And then I was like, bruh, I literally went to my lunch break in my car and got on Indeed and started putting in apps. And I put in an app for this roof sales solar. It was solar company, and you know they pay super huge commissions, but it's crappy. You got to go knock on doors and sell to people, you know. But the commissions are crazy. The money was good, and so I was like, forget it, man. I'm gonna do this. I've been listening to like Grant Cardone and you know these sales guys talking about how sales is everything and all that. So I was like, all right, maybe sales is it. So I got into that and went to this real. They had this business had a really nice office with like a bunch of meeting rooms and stuff. And so I would go meet with them, but it was like really loosely organized, and I just kind of like I ain't feeling y'all. So I went in there with my laptop one morning and went into one of the meeting rooms and opened up Webull and was like, you know, let me see if I can get some swing trading going. Like I know I can play the higher time frame charts. Let me see if I can do that. And so I took a couple swing trades and I think I made some money on Lucid. And after that, I was like, you know what? Let's try the day trading again, man. And so I started coming into this business's office every morning, finding some meeting room off to the side, and I was trading, man. I just got back into it, and then I set my office back up, got my monitors back set up and everything, and I was like, we're gonna give it one more go, man. One more go. Oh, for real, Trey? Yeah. It's a tough job, man, because you know is like no has to be your medicine. Like no has to be like candy, because you're gonna get no's all the time, bro. It's tough. Uh, you trade in a prop firm, Alex? I was trying to do that to myself too, was to kick myself out of trading for a day. That's tough. That's tough, man. I definitely would need somebody to do that to me because it's really hard for me. Uh, but I mean, it's legit though, man. Yeah, that's tough, Trey. We on our way out though, bro. God willing, just a matter of time. You green on the month too, ain't you, Trey? What you do today? You trade anything today? Got me fit. Wow, 7 days. That's what did it. Dang, Alex. That's what's up. Hey, what's up, Joe? Start adding size. I'm trying to wait, bro. I'm trying to wait. You know, bro, I've added size prematurely so many times in my journey, man. So I'm trying to do it right. I'm trying to earn it, you know, and at least get a green month in. You know, I haven't had a green month since June. And I actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop saying that. I've never had a green month. I haven't had a green month legitimately since probably 2021. It blows my mind that I was profitable month over month back then and I didn't complete the journey. I needed mentorship, man. I really needed mentorship. If I really believe if I had mentorship back then, like somebody who had some experience and some wisdom, you know, over my shoulder helping me through my bad days, and if I wasn't trading with SMEG, CMEG, oh my God, they were destroying me, man. Like I'm gonna speak out against SMEG for the rest of my trading career for that. They were destroying me. I guess it's my fault. They told me what it was when I signed up, and I kept on trading with them. I just wanted to get around PDT so bad. Straight destruction, man. The fees were just so disheartening, man. Like to have a good month and then get the fee slapped out of you. That sucks. But yeah, I feel you though, Joe. I think it's starting to see some light, you know. But you know, still need to see what these red days are gonna be looking like. CMEG. CMEG is Capital Markets Elites Capital Markets Elite Group or something like that. They're a broker out of was it Trinidad and Tobago? Bruh, 395 each way. Under 1,000 shares, 395 each way. $8 a trade. Talk about trying to profit out like bruh, can you imagine? Bruh, this trade right here on CMEG. You know how much this would cost? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30, 34, 38. Oh my God, bro. Like literally this would cost more than my trade. I would be heavily in the red after this trade on CMEG with $3 risk. Yeah, they trash for that for sure. Yeah, I'm working on it, man. I'm working on it. Well, I'm glad I ain't try to get involved with this guy again. I don't think I would have got triggered in though, because this did not make a new high, and then it made a lower low, so that would have been canceled. Man, did I take profit at the right time or what? That worked out great. I've also been getting, I feel like I'm getting better at getting my last shares off instead of like leaving it down here at break even and losing all of this profit. Just getting out. Getting out when I see it's breaking. That's been super cool. Yeah, man, just imagine adding up this though. I just be so scared to add myself out of the trade, man. I hate that so much. to be in a really good move and then just getting too aggressive with your ads and then you stop yourself out. I don't like that at all. So that's what really makes me more cautious on these kind of moves. If I don't see a really clear ad, I'm just kind of like, yeah, I don't think I would have been able to legitimately get in this trade until here. This was really good. Yeah, super tough. Super tough. All right, so what did we learn from today, man? What's lessons? What am I going to put in my lessons from yesterday over here? Hmm. Play every trade the same. You don't make home runs. They happen when the stock has a home run. You don't control that. Trade the plan. I should have read that this morning. Well, all right, chat. I ain't got nothing else, man. I'm done for today. We came, we saw, we conquered. We're gonna come back tomorrow and try to do it again, man. Oh, Jack. I'm glad I hung out for Jack to roll up in here. What up, Jack? My bad. It's a good day, sir. It's a good day. Good way to start the week. Up 12R on the month, man. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Made back Friday. Friday kind of sucked, but made it back today. And yeah, man, just keep walking one foot in front of the other. How'd you do today, Jack? What you trade, man? Yeah, bro. This is definitely like the cleanest trading I've ever had in my career. Like as far as just consistently not being stupid. I'm so happy I was able to take profit at high a day on SMCI. I clearly remember times where I would not sell because I would be holding for the next move up, you know. Still an AMD short off VWAP. I'm VWAP's such a good old friend. I haven't seen him in a while. Such a good old friend though. Okay, I like the short. I'm glad you're short because it is below the ranges. Hmm. Yeah. You can get that thing to break down below what? 1345. Yeah, that lower day. Who knows such things? Well, good luck to you, Jack. I'm getting out of here, y'all. Appreciate you hanging out with me for today, man. Awesome day. Hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Great day, man. Feels good. I'm out. Peace.